As the Zanu PF National People's Conference approaches, it has come to our attention that certain rogue elements are being funded to cause disruptions. These individuals, driven by ulterior motives, aim to undermine the stability and progress of our party. We want to assure our members and supporters that we are fully aware of these plans and the meetings that has taken place to orchestrate such activities. Zabinda mashiko anobuda nyongo panapa aiva nokumana muzoti ava ndo strong supporters veZanu PF Vakomana Vakutya vari panapa chithreatina vanhu vese vanoda kukonzeresa chaos kana kusawirana pa this coming congress. Zabinda mashiko abuda nyongo subscribe like or turn on the bell icon. Vakomana vari serious vakuenda mberi vatira mashiko ekuti our intelligence teams have been diligently monitoring the situation. We have gathered substantial information about the individuals involved and their financiaries. Those rogue elements are attempting to create chaos, but their efforts will not succeed. We are prepared to counter any attempts to disrupt the conference and ensure that it proceeds smoothly. Zanu PF remains committed to maintaining peace and order. We urge all members to stay vigilant and report any suspicious activities. Our party has always stood for the interest of the majority, and we will not allow a few misguided individuals to derail our mission. Mashoko ari kudatogwa pana Vakomana Vakutya patikuona kuti this party iri kutogwa nevanhu vanga ma veterans kana opposition vachiti this party is now in disorder. This house haisisiri neorder yataiziva kumashure uko. Chaos yavamo yachizonyanyisa. People vakaocha vakamira vada kuona kuti zvii zvichambonyasa kutranspire, zvii zvichanyasa kuitika kuti this upcoming congress yamoza kuti it is the people's congress, supporters at the ruling party yeZanu PF. Panapa Vakomana vari kuvatara mashoko kuchiti vese vanoda kudisrupta kana kukonzeresa any chaos kana kuda kufambisa misinformation pazvinhu zvisiri paground. Aiwa intelligence yavo iripo kubata Vakomana ivavava. Chipotisa mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Aiwa vina comment section medu, subscribe or like.